Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Prajapati, a maths teacher, and today we will learn class 9 exercise number 5.1 question number 3. So, in question number 3, consider two postulates given below. Number 1, given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. We have 2 points A and B. Suppose this one is a point A and this one is point B. So now we can join point A and point B by straight line. Okay friends. So we have point C between A and B on straight line. Am I right? We have there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. So third point C, we can say that one is here. Okay. Now in second, there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same lines. Let this one is A, this one is B. Okay. So suppose we join this one by straight line. Now there is not necessary to any point D lies on AB. Okay friends. So I just define by diagram at here. Now let me see what is the answer. Here a question is, do this postulate contain any undefined terms? Means, is there any terms which is not defined? Okay. So we can see that here no any kind of definition, points, lines and many other terms. So our answer is yes, this postulate contain so many undefined term. Okay friends. So here we cannot find out definitions of lines, definitions of points and many other things. So this is our first answer. Now let me see second question. Second number, are these postulates consistent? Consistence means which has any kind of logic, that is called a consistent. So here we have a two postulate. So is there any postulate consistence? Of course, we can say that the given postulate are consistent because there are they refer to two different situations. This is our second answer. Are these postulates consistent? Means, is there any logic in both postulates? Our answer is the given postulates are consistent because they refer to two different situations. Last question, do they follow from Euclid's postulate? Here we need to explain this postulate follow from Euclid's postulate. If it follow or not, we need to explain here. So our answer is No, these postulates do not follow Euclid's postulate. This one is not to follow Euclid's postulate, but they follow a axiom. Which axiom? Given two distinct point, there is a unique line that pass through them. So here our question number 3 is complete. So do they follow from Euclid's postulate? Our answer is no, these postulates do not follow Euclid's postulate, but they follow axioms. We know that what is the difference between axioms and postulates. If you do not know, you must watch our first video. Which axioms? Given two distinct points, there is a unique line that pass through them. Thank you, friends.